How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end. To buy Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Cash App on your phone. Basically, once you launch Cash App, you will see this type of interface, and all you have to do is tap on the banking icon from the bottom left corner of the screen to come to this page. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin, you need to have Bitcoin. In order to have Bitcoin, you need to verify your identity, and in order to verify your identity, you'll need to have your legal documents. To get started, all you need to do is just click on the Buy Bitcoin tab, which you see over here. Once you tap on the Buy Bitcoin tab, you'll basically see this type of interface where you have to tap on the Get Started button here. Once you tap on Get Started, here you can see you can buy as little for $1. Then just tap on Buy Bitcoin button. Once you tap on Buy Bitcoin, you can see Change Order Type. You can change it to one-time order or a custom purchase order if you want. Then enter the amount that you want to buy in the dollar equivalent, or you can just tap on the three dots icon and then just enter a custom amount here and then just tap on Next. Then once you tap on Next, you will see this type of interface that will basically ask you to enter your email address. So just go ahead and then actually enter your email address, verify all that legal documents. Once you verify your identity, you'll be able to successfully buy Bitcoin on Cash App after completing your payment method. That is it for this video on how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.